Let's play more and learn more with More and More channel. Don't forget to click subscribe. Craft for today is 4 seasons in 1. Here are the materials needed. Let's begin. Fold the paper into 2 halves. Now we have 4 squares. We will fold it again into halves to make 4 columns and 4 rows. Now we have 16 small squares. We will remove the 4 squares in the middle to make a window. Just like this. Now we will put check on the sides that we will glue and then fold. We folded the paper till we have a square. Now, I will be putting a mark to know which one is up and down. And for our first season, I will be making something that blooms. Can you guess now our first season? For coloring, I will be putting an outline using the available pens I have. And then, I will remove the excess pencil to make it better. And put additional color to reveal our first season. So this is the symbol of our first season. Flower, which means it's springtime. For the next season, again I will put a mark. Ooh, it's hot. Our second season requires ice cream. Can you see this super bright sun? It means it's summer! For our third season, it started to become windy. Third season shows leaf. Leaves are now falling from the tree because it's fall. Finally, can you guess our fourth season? Ooh, it's cold. So the symbol for our last season is inspired by the movie Frozen. Have you seen Frozen? I like the character of Olaf from Frozen. Olaf is a snowman, and snowman is made from tiny pieces of snowflakes. And snowflakes come out during winter season. Winter, spring, summer, and fall. Thanks for watching.